how you can check your favorite photos on iPhone. Now this is for iOS 18 version, so if you're not on iOS 18, just go to your settings and upgrade to iOS 18. Now if you are on iOS 18, I'll teach you guys how you can check your favorite photos. But before that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is just open your Photos app. And after you've opened up your Photos app, if you scroll down, you will see pinned collections. Now under pinned collections, you will see a favorites folder right there. Just tap on it and there you will see favorites photos. Now you can scroll and check all your favorite photos, and yeah, that is basically how you do it. So that is all for the video, guys. So that is how you check your favorite photos on iPhone iOS 18. If you like the video, just go down below and press the like button and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.